Hey there, amazing parents! Welcome back to Kitty Kingdom, your go-to channel for all things parenting and child development. Have you ever wondered how you can boost your child's creativity? Today, we're here to provide you with some fantastic answers. Let's dive in and explore some fun and effective tips to help your little ones unleash their creative potential. First up, let's talk about the power of open-ended play. Give your kids toys that can be used in multiple ways. Think building blocks, art supplies, or even plain old cardboard boxes. The possibilities are endless, and it sparks their imagination. When your child asks a question, take it as an opportunity to explore together. This teaches them the value of seeking knowledge. Go on little adventures like nature walks or museum visits. These outings provide a wealth of inspiration and learning opportunities. Now let's talk about creating a dedicated space for creativity. Set up a little corner with art supplies, musical instruments, or crafting materials. This space should be inviting and accessible. Encourage your kids to tell their own stories or make up plays. This boosts their creativity and enhances their communication skills. Expose your child to various art forms. Whether it's drawing, painting, dancing, or playing an instrument, each offers a different way to express creativity. Finally, lead by example. Show your kids that creativity is valued by engaging in creative activities yourself. Paint together, build things, or even cook up a new recipe in the kitchen. These shared activities are not only fun but also teach valuable skills. Remember, the goal is to make creativity a natural part of their daily life. Keep it fun and enjoyable. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. And hit that notification bell so you never miss our new educative content. Stay tuned for more exciting tips and ideas. Thanks for always supporting Kitty Kingdom. See you next time. Keep nurturing those creative minds.